How to integrate and use ChatGPT with Google Sheets. Hi there, today we will be learning about how to add ChatGPT into your Google Sheets. So, first thing that you need to do is open your Google Sheets. You can open this to any browser that you have and just sign in with your Google account. From here, what you need to do is click on extensions and then click on add ons. When you click on add-ons, you will be routed into a page where you will be able to add extensions into your Google Sheets account. So what you simply need to do is just click on the search box and type in GPT or Chat GPT rather. And when you type that in, just hit on enter and then it will provide you a lot of extensions that will allow you to incorporate ChatGPT into your Google Sheets. So once there are results already, what you need to do is just click on the GPT for Sheets and Dogs, that's by Tellurian, and then you will be routed into this page where all you have to do is just click on install and then just hit on continue. From here, what you need to do is to choose your Google account where you want to sign in with your ChatGPT account. And here, there's a need for you to verify your account through your mobile phone, or you can also have the option to type in the password. So once done, you can just click on allow to the terms and their conditions. And wait for it to load. And if you encounter errors like this, what you just need to do is just click on exit and then rerun the installment once again. You just need to rerun the installation and then choose your Google account. Just hit on allow. Then just click on next. And then next. Wait for it to load. And there you see that your ChatGPT has now been successfully installed. Once you have installed the extension successfully in your Google Sheets, what you need to do is just click on the extensions, and then here you just need to click on Set API Key. And then you will see that here on the right side panel of the screen, you need to enter the OpenAI API key, where you can get this when you click on Get a New API key. That's actually located here at the bottom. And here you will need to sign in your ChatGPT account to be able to get the API key. The API key is needed so that you will be able to successfully incorporate ChatGPT into your Google Sheets account. So you'll need to input your phone number, register your birth date, your first and last name, just click on enter, and ChatGPT will be sending you a verification image where you need to follow or answer. Once done, you will just need to click on submit and then wait for a verification code that will be sent into your mobile phone, and then you just need to enter the code. But if ever you may encounter an error, you can use another account here. So for example, on once you have successfully verified and logged in your OpenAI ChatGPT account, what you can do is click on need an API key that you can locate on the right side panel of the screen, and here you'll be routed into this page where you can do is just click on create new API key, and they will be generating that for you. What you need to do is just copy the details and then paste it into the box here that's on the right side panel of the screen, and then just click on set it up. Once done, you can also click on how to create OpenAI key on the right side panel of the screen, and this is the steps where you can follow the instructions. And then you can try it out. You can see that there's a lot of prompts that you can use with ChatGPT. For example, like these one here, what you can do is you can click on the prompt, and then you can just click on copy, and then you just paste it into one of the cells in Google Sheets. I'll just zoom it in for you to view it. And there it automatically provides you the answer to the prompt that was added. So for example, we will click on GPT underscore links and then just copy the code, or you can replace it as well and then just paste it into a cell. And you just need to wait for it to load, and it automatically provides you a list of informations on from the prompt that you have placed. So there's a lot of ChatGPT prompts that you can use here depending on what type of informations you want to generate here for ChatGPT. So you can also use here, there's GPT table where it automatically provides you a table for an information like a list of or nutrition list for a product. Like for this example that's provided on the right side panel of the screen, you can just copy or click on the copy icon, and then you can paste it into the side here or into one of the cells, and it automatically provides you a table for all the nutrition facts for each fruit. So there's also another example here where you can add a chat GPT map where it will provide you informations that are made up. Here's another example as well for ChatGPT format where it will provide you or use or provide you formats for currencies, addresses, dates, and etc. So you can actually try to test the prompts out just by copying the examples and then just paste it into the cells here on Google Sheets for you to learn on how to do it and for you to be guided as well. So here is another example, GPT Convert, where it provides you a code. There's also a chat GPT command or chat GPT code, and there's also a create prompt as well, where you will be creating your own prompt. Here you can also use GPT Summarize if you do have a lot of informations that you have on your sheets and then you want that summarized. You can also use that prompt. And there is also GPT Classify, where it will classify all of the details for you. For example, you have a lot of informations and random informations that you have. You can simply choose GPT underscore classify, and it will arrange that for you under, or it will classify that for you into different categories. And that's basically how you will be able to use or integrate ChatGPT into Google Sheets once you have successfully logged in your ChatGPT account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.